The Mekong River is one of the most significant rivers in Southeast Asia, stretching over 4,350 kilometers and ranking as the 12th longest river in the world. Originating in the Tibetan Plateau in China, it flows through 6 countries: China, Myanmar, Laos, Thailand, Cambodia, and Vietnam before emptying into the South China Sea. The river is an essential lifeline for millions of people who depend on it for food, transportation, irrigation, and economic activities. Its importance goes beyond the practical, as it also holds deep cultural, ecological, and historical significance. Geography and course. The Mekong River originates in the glaciers of the Tibetan Plateau at an altitude of over 5,000 meters. From its source, it flows southeast through China's Yunnan province, where it is called the Lancang River. The river then enters Myanmar and Laos, forming parts of the border between Laos and Thailand, before continuing through Cambodia and finally reaching Vietnam's Mekong Delta. The river's journey covers a diverse range of terrains, including mountains, plateaus, fertile plains, and tropical wetlands. Its delta in southern Vietnam is one of the most productive agricultural regions in the world, known especially for rice cultivation. Hydrology and ecology. The Mekong River is renowned for its rich biodiversity. It hosts over 1,200 species of fish, making it one of the world's most biologically diverse rivers. Among these species are the giant Mekong catfish and various freshwater stingrays. The river also supports a wide range of other wildlife, including amphibians, reptiles, and birds. Its wetlands, floodplains, and tributaries are vital for maintaining the ecological balance of the region. Seasonal monsoons greatly influence the river's flow, causing significant annual flooding in some areas, which replenishes nutrients in the soil and sustains agriculture along its banks. Economic importance. The Mekong River is a crucial economic artery for the region. Millions of people depend on its waters for fishing, agriculture, and hydropower. The river's fertile floodplains support extensive rice paddies, fruit orchards, and other crops. Fishing is a vital livelihood for many communities along the river, providing both food and income. Additionally, the Mekong's waters are harnessed for hydropower projects, particularly in China and Laos, which generate electricity for domestic use and export. Navigation is another key economic function, with boats and ferries transporting goods and passengers along the river and its tributaries. Cultural and historical significance. Throughout history, the Mekong River has been central to the cultures and civilizations of Southeast Asia. Many ancient kingdoms and settlements developed along its banks due to the fertile land and access to water routes. The river holds spiritual and cultural significance for the people in the region, often featuring in local folklore, religious practices, and festivals. Traditional livelihoods, such as riverine fishing techniques and floating markets, are still a prominent part of life, especially in Cambodia and Vietnam. The river has also been a strategic route during historical conflicts, influencing trade, migration, and military campaigns. Environmental challenges. Despite its significance, the Mekong River faces numerous environmental challenges. Rapid dam construction, deforestation, industrial development, and climate change threaten its ecological balance. Dams built for hydropower alter the river's natural flow, affecting fish migration, sediment transport, and floodplain fertility. Pollution from agriculture, industry, and urban settlements further degrades water quality. Overfishing and habitat destruction endanger many species, some of which are unique to the Mekong. International cooperation among Mekong countries is critical to addressing these challenges and ensuring sustainable use of the river's resources. Tourism and attractions. The Mekong River is also a hub for tourism, offering stunning landscapes, vibrant riverine communities, and unique cultural experiences. Tourists are attracted to its scenic beauty, such as the limestone karsts in northern Laos and the lush delta in southern Vietnam. River cruises, fishing tours, and visits to floating markets allow visitors to experience traditional ways of life. National parks and protected areas along the river provide opportunities for ecotourism and wildlife observation, highlighting the river's ecological significance. In conclusion, the Mekong River is far more than a body of water. It is a vital ecological system, a cultural treasure, and an economic lifeline for millions across Southeast Asia. From its origins in Tibet to its expansive delta in Vietnam, the river sustains diverse ecosystems, supports agricultural productivity, and nurtures rich cultural traditions. Despite facing environmental threats, the Mekong remains a symbol of life and resilience, reflecting the interdependence of humans and nature along its banks. Its preservation is essential not only for the well-being of local communities but also for maintaining one of the most ecologically and culturally significant rivers in the world.